The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI) has caught a stockpile of iPhone being smuggled into the country. After developing precise intelligence, officers of the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI) inspected 2 consignments on November 26, 2021. This consignment arrived from Hong Kong at the Air Cargo Complex ACC, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, the Finance Ministry said in a statement. In the import documents, the goods were declared as memory cards. Physical examinations, however, reveals that the consignment actually contained 2,245 numbers of iPhone 13 Pro, 1,401 numbers of iPhone 13 Pro Max, 12 numbers of Google Pixel 6 Pro, and 1 Apple Watch. Thus, a total of 3,646 iPhone 13 mobile phones were found in the intercepted consignment, the ministry stated. The recovered mobile phones and the Apple smartwatch, not having been declared, were seized under the Custom Act 1962. The total value of the seized goods is around Rs 42.86 crore, while the declared value of the goods was only Rs 80 lakhs. iPhone 13 models were on the sale in India from September 2021 onwards, with a base price of Rs 70,000 and some of the higher-end models costing up to Rs 1,80,000. Import of mobile phones into India attracts effective customs duty of around 44%. The detections of attempted smuggling of these high-end iPhones of latest models in such large numbers shows how quickly the smugglers establish their smuggling networks for the latest product like iPhone 13. These detections has helped unearth a serious import fraud, reinforcing DRI's ability to detect and combat unique and sophisticated methods of smuggling, having sustained revenue implications. As the guardians of the nation's economic frontiers, DRI remains steadfast to combat smuggling.